In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI knowledge base in Clickup. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use Knowledge Hub powered by Clickup's AI features, and you'll know exactly where to find the tools you need to get started right away. Start by opening Clickup and heading to Whiteboards from your workspace sidebar. This is a great launching point because it keeps your strategic planning and documentation close together, so you can map ideas, outline categories, and keep structure front and center. From there, go to Home. Home gives you quick access to everything you're working on and makes it simple to jump into the right place for your knowledge base as you move between tasks and documentation. Next, open the space where you want the knowledge base to live. Spaces are ideal containers for company-wide resources, team wikis, or product documentation because they're easy to permission and organize. Once you're in the right space, click the three dots next to the space name to open the context menu. This menu is your gateway to powerful setup options without digging through deeper settings, so it's a fast way to shape your structure. Choose Templates, then select Browse Templates. Templates save hours by giving you a proven structure right out of the box. To see the broadest set of options, set the filter to include all template types. That way you'll surface templates that include docs, lists, and other elements that work well together for a robust knowledge base with categories, navigation, and ready-made sections. In the search bar, type knowledge base. You'll see a range of curated options. Pick the one that best matches your audience and content style. Look for a clear hierarchy, sections for FAQs or SOAPs, and a logical navigation flow that mirrors how your team searches for information. When you've chosen, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name it. Give it a clear, memorable name that reflects its purpose, like Team Knowledge Base or Product Help Center, so everyone can find it easily later. Then confirm by clicking Use Template again to add it to your space. Once your knowledge base loads, you're ready to bring in AI. Open the content area and click Ask AI. Use it to draft starter articles from brief prompts, generate outlines for categories, or summarize long internal documents into concise how-tos. It can also help standardize tone and structure, so entries feel consistent regardless of who contributes. And it's great for polishing headlines, intros, and callouts.